All right, we got our rental car and we are officially Californians.
We live here now.
We're officially Los Angelians for the next few days at least. So we're about to check out Santa Monica Pier, but first we need food. We were looking at a Eater LA, and there was a list of the top 10 burgers. It's called HiHo Burger, so we're gonna check that out, and then we're gonna ride hopefully a roller coaster if we can. It's a little gloomy in this today, so hopefully the coaster's going. So this is the article, Eater Los Angeles, and here you can see HiHo Cheeseburger, and everything here is Wagyu grass-fed beef. These burgers better be like so good because it's been a while we've been waiting. So
yeah.
They take their time, which I guess is a good thing.
There's a lot of people.
It must mean something. And there are, it's not like packed. So let's see. Hopefully, I mean, it should be delicious. So, and it's still raining. So let's see. All right, we got our food, and we got the fries. We got the HiHo and the classic. I don't know. It's basically just Wagyu beef with cheese, and I put mine without pickles or anything or tomatoes. It's just lettuce, and then yours has
should have everything
pickles,
except for ketchup.
Except ketchup, yeah. And
we also
added the spicy sauce, I think it is.
Spicy onion jam.
Okay, spicy onion jam. So taste test time. Yeah? Anytime you do a little head dance, I know you like it.
Trying to compare to
Babes. Babes Burgers is the best in Miami.
It's really good, but
Not as good as Babes?
maybe it's almost equal, but
Maybe you need to take more bites though.
Like Babes more only because of the bacon. I think Babes is better.
Wow. And
the
this is
bacon.
double. We don't even do double at Babes.
No, double bacon burger at Babes.
Yeah. Well, if they had bacon, it'd make it even better probably, but. Okay, I will say it's really good. It's a little too spicy. No, it's like, I wish I would have done spice, but it is good, but I don't taste the difference between it being Wagyu or like any other beef, but it's good.
I've never noticed the difference.
Yeah, I don't notice the difference, and I haven't even tried the fries yet. Alright, so in conclusion, Babes Burgers in Miami.
It's a bit better.
It's still better.
This is good.
So, let's see
bad.
if we find something better than Babes Burgers, but,
let you know.
But it was good, it was good.
Wait.
This little spot is so cute. Thank you.
That's the
Black and tan, yeah. The Guinness is just settling on it.
All right, cheers.
You know what? What's going on?
I look so ridiculous. Like, it is so cold right now. It's a little too cold, and we just want to go. Like, it got rainier and colder, so we need to get out of here. It is way too cold, and it is way too wet to be in Santa Monica Pier right now. Now we're in a Coffeebean to warm up. Whew. So we found this cute little area. The rain died down, but now we have to find a bathroom, and it seems like everywhere around here does not have public bathrooms. This little mall area is so cute. Woohoo! And now that the rain stopped, it's actually nice and warm and sunny. not raining anymore, but still, I don't. Santa Monica Pier doesn't look like it's running. The roller coaster and the Ferris wheel seem to not be going, so I think we're gonna have to come back to Santa Monica Pier another day. Try to get to the hotel. And somehow now we ended up in Sugarfish by Sushi Nozawa. About to get some sushi? What?
If someone's first name is Sushi,
That's perfect.
I'm sure they make good sushi.
Got the crab hand roll. We had to order one more of the albacore sushi. It's so good.
What is it?
They're known for this for 30 years?
Right, the best sushi.
Best sushi for 30 years. Honestly, that was such a good sushi experience. Like,
Yeah.
okay, that beats any sushi place we've tried at Miami.
In Miami.
In
but
Miami.
Yeah.
But so far, burgers,
Better in Miami.
better
so
Miami.
far.
Sushi, Los Angeles has it better. But that was very delicious. Right there across the parking garage is HiHo. And right down this avenue is Sugarfish. We're now like going underneath Santa Monica, I guess.
We'll go under the pier, yeah. Let's see.